At All Pro Roofing, we believe our reputation as a trusted roofing contractor comes from our commitment to quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction, which is why many property owners consider us a top choice for commercial roof repair. Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey. We provide comprehensive services that go beyond basic roof repair, including expert work on roof shingles, roof tiles, and metal roof systems, along with complete gutter solutions such as gutter repair, gutter replacement, and gutter guard installation. Are you looking for a roofing contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Roofing. What role do gutters play in commercial roof repair? A properly functioning gutter directs rainwater away from the roof and building structure, preventing water from pooling on roof shingles, roof tiles, or metal roofs and reducing the risk of leaks and structural damage. Our team of gutter cleaning contractors, gutter repair specialists, and gutter guard installers works alongside our roofing experts to provide a complete solution, ensuring both your roofing system and gutter system function efficiently. How do damaged gutters affect a commercial roofing system? When gutters are cracked, sagging, clogged, or improperly aligned, water can overflow or pool along the edges of the roof, putting roof shingles, roof tiles, or metal roofing at risk of leaks and deterioration. Our team of gutter repair specialists, gutter cleaning contractors, and gutter guard installers works closely with our roofing experts to ensure that every gutter functions properly. What is your service area? Our All Pro Roofing serve the following New Jersey locations: Moorestown, Medford, Mount Holly, Lumberton, Burlington, Voorhees Township, Haddonfield, Cherry Hill, Woodbury, Deptford, Cinnaminson, Pensauken Township, Collingswood, Evesham, Delran, Burlington Township, Southampton Township, Pemberton Township, Burlington County, Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey. Where is your All Pro Roofing office located? We are located at 257 Ramblewood Parkway, Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey 08054, United States. Our phone number is 856-443-4993. Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/mount-laurel-township-nj.